Today, we're talking with Mr. Bjorn Hansen, our Executive Director, about poly and perfluoroalkyl substances, also known as PFAS. They're manufactured chemicals, widely used since the 1940s to produce many different consumer products. Tests show, however, that they cause serious health effects such as cancer and liver damage. The good news is that the European Union is taking action to reduce their use. But where exactly are they used? What are the concerns? And what is the EU doing about them? Let's find out. Welcome, Bjorn. So, if we start, can you briefly explain what PFAS are?
They're generally seen as being toxic and they're very, very persistent. They have been found in many samples of blood in humans and in the environment. In case of these chemistries, and the first ones of them, they have anti-stick properties. And this was seen and is seen as a very desirable property. And that's why they went out and were used to start out with in smaller productions, for example, for Teflon pans, but then started being used much more broadly in coats, for example, to ensure that the water goes off the coat, all the way to carpets and many other goods.
Do you think you have it in your blood?
I'm very certain that I have it in my blood. I'm way into my 50s. I've spent my childhood exactly in the years when these chemicals started being used. And if you get exposed to these chemicals, you accumulate them in your body.
What other kind of health effects are there?
Once they are emitted into the environment, they stay around for a very long time. That's why some people call them forever chemicals. Once they're in the body, they tend to accumulate. And then they have a number of toxic effects, from reproductive effects over cancer to liver toxicity. There definitely is a concern that all of them may very well be having an impact on the European citizen. And that's why we need and will be taking action.